So right here today, thank you very much, Navy Marines. We have that Mercy ship just arrived. Thank you for your service to state people, not only Portuguese but all people that are residing here in Chile.
Request call. Score 2-1.
We have girls here and also boys inside.
Score. Beyond the ball.
Thank you very much, visitors.
44.
Students are here witnessing the game.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed.
Pacific Partnership 2024 Big Wave Brass Band here in Chute to perform for all of you wonderful people here at Chute High School. Thank you so much for having us. Enjoy the rest of your day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everyone. I did hear it. So we're gonna give you one more. We appreciate you so much. Thank you very much. Now this last tune is one you also might recognize when you sing along with us. It's a good old-fashioned brass band fun song that we're going to finish the show out for you here with. It's going to feature a few of the guys up here on their respective instruments, respective instruments, and they're going to show you what they can do. So without further ado, hey Ben, you want to start this one?
They go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. How I'd like to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. And when that sun refused to shine. Oh, when that sun refused to shine. How I'd like to be in that number when the saints go marching in. Take it away, man.
Thanks for being an awesome audience this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to come chat with us, ask us any questions, take pictures with us. We also got some pictures up here. If you want any, you're welcome to take them. Please, don't be shy. Thank you for being awesome today, Duke High School. Take care.
Di ko ka-picture, ikaw ra mag-selfie. Ikaw, di ko ka-picture. Na. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, drummer ba eh?
Now we go there.
One of the singers is not here, the girl. Wow. Nice drum.
Thank you.
We have all. I hope my. You're going to Berea also?
Where's that?
You're going to Berea High School also?
I'm not sure how long we're going.
Because there is also a Filipino drummer. Thank you.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you for the song music. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Woo-hoo. Teacher. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
For me, sir. For me. Woo. Thank you very much.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Woohoo. Wow. U.S. Pacific Fleet Van Island Acoustic. Here we go. Hi. Hello, sir.
Somebody sign it?
Thank you.
I'm not on this one.
What? No?
No.
Oh.
Let's see. He is.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, of course. I don't have a pen.
Oh.
Here's a pen. Oh, that's a marker. Fantastic. Even better.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're very welcome. This is me right here with the bald head.
All right. Right, yeah, salute.
All right.
Thank
there
you.
go. Of course I can.
Grab the camera. Nasa ilaw. Camera ito yan.
Thank you. You're welcome. Of course. There you go. You can get a big one. This is our full group.
Oh, that's it.
And this is a few people who weren't here. So we had 3 Japanese musicians with us, 2 in Palau. So that's the full group.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, of course. Oh, I can Thank you.
Wow. Yup. Woo. Thank you so much. one? This is you, man.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
Would you like
thank
me to
you.
sign it?
Woohoo, thank you. There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.